Are you tired of struggling to earn enough money online? Well, we found the ultimate solution for you. Introducing the Chatgpt AI bot, a game changer that will transform your online earning potential. Now, you might be wondering how this AI bot can help you make money online. The answer is simple. Chatgpt is an advanced chatbot that can engage with people in conversations just like a real human. By leveraging this technology, you can provide valuable services and earn a significant income. So, how do you get started? First, create an account on the Chatgpt platform. Then, familiarize yourself with the bot's capabilities and settings. You can customize its responses to suit your goals and niche. Experiment with different approaches. Maybe you can offer tutoring services, provide product recommendations, or even just have fun, engaging conversations. The more creative you are, the higher your earning potential. Promote your services on social media platforms, community forums, and websites. Spread the word about your AI bot's capabilities and the benefits it offers to potential customers. Remember, success lies in providing genuine value to your customers. Engage with them in meaningful conversations, solve their problems, and enhance their online experience with your AI bot. Encourage satisfied customers to refer your services to others. A simple referral can significantly boost your earning potential and help you build a strong client base.